All right, so for today's centers, I'm going to start off with the red raccoons. So the first thing that you guys are going to do is cut out these pictures and glue them if it's a one-syllable word over here, if it's a two-syllable word here. So, for example, they have dog here and they have penguin here. The second thing you're going to do is read this passage 3 times, answer the questions. Lastly, we practiced writing dates correctly last week. So you're going to use a comma between the day and the year when writing the date. So you're going to write a comma to fix the dates. For example, I'll do one with you. The first day of school is August 8th, 2013. So that's the first one. My green goats. First thing you're going to do is the same thing, except for this time you don't have pictures. So finish that sheet. Then you're going to read this 3 times. Answer the questions. This word is about. This word is problem. This word is problem, and this word is solved. So those are some bigger words you might not know. The last thing you're going to do is take these cards out of the bag, and you're going to arrange them in order by month, date, comma, year. And then you're going to give me 5 examples of correct dates. Lastly, my yellow Yorkies, you're going to be doing the same thing as them, except for yours has pictures and words. Then you're going to read this passage and answer the questions. Excuse me. So, this word is excited. And the rest of them, you should be able to read. Just sound them out. Then you're going to do the same things that the green goats did. You're going to take these cards, put them in order of month, date, comma, year, and give me 5 examples.